Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily QR code your Wi-Fi password on iPhone. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly to scan your Wi-Fi, scroll down in notification bar, tap and hold on Wi-Fi and go to more. At the top, you see the option of scanner. Simply you can scan the QR. The other option is to click on the scanner of your device and you can place the QR in front of your screen and scan. Now the other option to share your Wi-Fi using a QR code is to go to Wi-Fi setting again, click on the connected connection and you will see the option of share. Verify your identification and then you will be able to share. So that's it. That is how easily you can share QR code of your Wi-Fi. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.